Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, to whichever time zone you are. I hope you are in good health. I know it's been a couple of months since I posted my last video. Well, today I'll give you an update about the RNIP program here in North Bay. RNIP in North Bay has been extended till February of 2024. So please click the link down below for you to know more about this RNIP program here in North Bay. For those who are new, what does RNIP stands for? Where RNIP stands for Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot, and North Bay is a part of the pilot program. I encourage you to click the link down below for you to know more about this pilot program. And yes, through this program, you can become a permanent resident here in Canada. And there are a lot already of candidates that have become permanent resident through this RNA program here in North Bay. So again, I encourage you to click the link down below for you to know more about this program. And for those who are here in Canada, take a visit or take a look or visit our beautiful North Bay community. Again, I wish you all the best and see you in my next video. Ciao!